Who are you?
I'm Maxime Paris, I'm a head chef at the Ramen House, 3-star macaron Michelin. How are you guys? So today I'm cooking egg, alright? It's important to start to put a lot of butter in the pan, okay? You see?
Show me the butter. What do you use?
The butter that I use is the K-Hold butter of Ireland with a gold paper, you know?
In a gold paper.
Yeah,
it's fucking expensive, is it?
Yeah, but I have the money.
So, what does it have?
This is a egg.
A what?
A egg.
Of a egg?
A egg.
Oh, an egg.
An egg.
Alright.
You put the egg on the pan, alright?
Yeah?
This is the most important thing. The pan is cold. When you break the egg, be careful, not like Maxime Paris, alright? So now you can see that one of the sides is burned, alright? It's very good, you know?
It's crispy. It's not burned, it's just crispy.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, crispy.
Go away.
Alright? So now it's good. So I will switch on the toast.
Let's see what we have. Show first. What the fuck? Look. Maxime Paris.
Voila.
Voila.
So this is good because one side is burned, very burned. Crispy, sorry. Maxime, look. This is important to hear your friend. When he said egg, it's the egg is good. You take the egg with the spoon. You put on the middle of the sandwich.
A bit louder.
You take the rest of the egg. Alright? Delicately on the yellow egg.
What is it called actually?
No, it's called egg cheese.
I don't know, but I have a feeling about that. Can we turn that shit off for a second?
Yeah, we can turn it off.
Cheers.
Now you take 1 round ham slices from deli style. There is 10 slices in the pocket.
Is it yours?
Yes, I killed the pig today. Alright, so this is fresh ham. Cook of the day. And it's a very technical thing on the recipe. You can see now that the fire is on because I forgot to off.
Oh no.
Please notice.
You take the fromages on the side in the bin, not next to the bin, alright? Ham in the fridge. And mutton in the fridge.
And the sandwich on the plate.
No clean film, no. This butter.
Did you put a date on it, no?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Show me the date.
Alright. Close the door, motherfucker. The spoon in the pan in the vessel.
Okay, Leo. It's a cooking show, come on. What's that?
Okay, so now I will put...
Wait. Not too quick. Just tell what's that.
Okay, so that now, this is the famous toast in Ireland. I'm a famous chef, so it's the famous.
It's
I call this cheese, egg, ham, cheese and ham, Fiji, right?
Fiji.
Cheese, egg, ham, okay? You have to speak it very quickly. Je vais dire cheese, egg, ham, alright? So now, to heat it,
Plate.
You take a plate, a white plate, always a white plate. If you take an orange plate, you are a motherfucker, alright? On the plate, no cut it. You take all in your hand and do like this. Alright? So this was Maxime Paris, the 3-star macaron Michelin in Ramen House for the cheese egg ham toast. Alright?
Nice Fiji.
Like we...
Just for bonus, what does it taste like when you eat it?
When it does, I feel the ham. It's very good.
It is good actually.
Yeah. No salt, no pepper, alright? I feel the cheese for a second. But I feel not very good. You see? Now you are impressed, no?
It's good shit.
It's good shit, yeah.
Good fishy chip.
So if you want to do this at home, you can.
Don't do this at home. That's what you want to say, no?
Don't do this at home, alright? This is my toast, okay, man? This is my toast, so don't do this at home, alright?